String methods. Python provides string methods that solves some common problems very easily. Let's discuss one by one. IsDigit method. IsDigit method gives true if all the characters are digits, otherwise false. Syntax of IsDigit method. String variable dot IsDigit of. Let's see one example. Digit equal to within double quotes 1 2 3 4. Press enter. Is digit equal to digit dot is digit of. Press enter. Print of is digit. Let's run it. See, the output is true. Let's discuss step by step. Here digit variable stores the string 1 2 3 4. Next it checks whether the string having all digits or not using isDigit method. Yes, string having all digits. So isDigit variable stores the value true. Next, it executed print function that is true, which is printed in output. Next one is strip method. Strip method removes all the leading and trailing spaces from a string. Syntax is string variable dot strip of. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes space like space. Press enter. String after spaces removed equal to string dot strip of. Press enter. Print of string after spaces removed. Let's run it. See, the output is like here leading spaces and trailing spaces are removed in string. Strip using specific characters. We can also specify characters that need to be removed. Syntax is string variable dot strip of within double quotes chars. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes dot like dot string after chars removed equal to string dot strip of within double quotes dot print of string after chars removed. Let's run it. See, the output is like here leading and trailing dots are removed. Strip using multiple characters. We can also specify multiple characters that need to be removed. Syntax is string variable dot strip of within double quotes multiple characters. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes comma space dot space like space comma dot string after characters removed equal to string dot strip of within double quotes comma dot space. Here order is not important. Print of string after characters removed. Let's run it. See, the output is like here leading and trailing dot comma spaces removed. Next one is replace method. Replace method gives a new string after replacing all the occurrences of the old substring with the new substring. Syntax is string variable dot replace of within double quotes old comma within double quotes new. Let's take one example. Sentence equal to within double quotes like TEH video unshare TEH video. Sentence after correction equal to sentence dot replace of within double quotes TEH comma within double quotes THE. Print of sentence after correction. Let's run it. See, the output is like the video and share the video. Here TEH changes to THE. Next one is starts with method. Starts with method gives true if the string starts with the specified value, otherwise false. Syntax is string variable dot starts with string value. Let's take an example. URL equal to within double quotes www.youtube.com is start with www equal to URL dot starts with of within double quotes www.printof is start with www. Let's run it. See, the output is true. Next one is ends with method. Ends with method gives true if the string ends with the specified value, otherwise false. Syntax is string variable dot ends with within double quotes value. Let's take one example. Mail equal to within double quotes youtube@gmail.com is mail end equal to mail dot ends with of within double quotes @gmail.com. Print of is mail end. Let's run it. See, the output is true. Next one is lower method. Lower method gives all the letters in lowercase in a string. Syntax is string variable dot lower of. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes capital letters like string lower equal to string dot lower of. Print of string lower. Let's run it. See, the output is like in small letters. Next one is upper method. Upper method gives all the letters in uppercase in a string. Syntax is string variable dot upper of. Let's take one example. String equal to within double quotes like string upper equal to string dot upper of. Print of string upper. See, the output is like in capital letters. If we mention special characters in between a string, there is no effect while using lower and upper methods. Let's take one example. String upper equal to within double quotes like @share dot upper of. String lower equal to within double quotes subscribe comment dot lower of. Print of string upper. Print of string lower. Let's run it. See, the output is like @share in capital letters, subscribe comment in small letters.